up over there, and then I also gonna do car wash because it's been months since I cleaned my car, and I also just got back from a long drive, so ang daming, you know, I don't know, that's a bird poops right there, so it has to be cleaned. And after that, I'm also gonna clean the inside of my car because, as you can see, ayan pa yung remnant ng long drive, so I have to throw them out. Yeah, dito lang ako sa express car wash kasi wala akong time. I'm just on my break. So, yeah. Panis kayo sa sasakyan nyo, naka-Corvette to. Kailan kaya makakabili ng Corvette? Just kidding! I'm not into sports cars anyway, or luxury cars. I'm praying na sana matanggal yung mga bug dun sa bumper ko because there's a lot of them and it's gross. So, natapos ko na lahat ng kailangan kong gawin for work. Tinapos ko na siya, tuloy-tuloy na. So, ang gagawin ko naman is yung preparation para sa first anniversary ng District of Saskatchewan. That's for church. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the request, or if someone's gonna ask me for help as they come. But my plan for today is already finished, so don't come to me na ginagamit ko yung work hours ko for other stuff. I finished my work. I'm salaried, so my time is kind of free. Basta magawa ko yung gagawin ko. So I'm gonna do some district work.
Yeah. I sent my daughter video.
You know what? Yes. Hello. Hi. I just woke up because I performed early today as a choir member at church. I woke up at like 3:40, and I just got home kaninang probably 6:30, and then I went back to sleep and then woke up for a meeting, and now I finished all my meeting and I have a free time, so I'm gonna do unboxing. Ano ba ito? I forgot. So I ordered this 2 days ago. This is just my travel essentials that I found at Amazon. Ito yung mga suggestions from TikTok, so I'm gonna show you what I have. Let me open it first. I have one more package coming in. I'll show you what it is. Mamaya pa siya eh. But this one arrived earlier for some reason. The other one will be arriving at 8 p.m. today. So let's see. I can't wait to open it. Binuksan ko na. I should have waited, but bakit ako mag-wait? Hindi uso sa akin ng delay gratification. Char! Okay! Oh my gosh. So, of course, Amazon overpacked my stuff again, but first thing first, my travel bag, the toiletry, and a makeup bag. It's pretty big than what I'm expecting, but tingnan natin yung loob. Ito pa, oh, tingnan mo. Papansin niya, no? Yeah, I'll try this. Come on. Si Chio, gising yun pag gising ako. Tapos tulog din yun pag tulog ako. And now, she's over-energetic. Just having zoomies. Inisip ko kunin yung beige. But everything I own is beige now. So, I need a little bit of color. So, here. Oh, ang laki niya na, Chio. Smell. Bag check. Okay? Okay, thank you. Ay, sorry po. So, sa unahan niya, there's a pocket that you can put stuff in it. Siguro yung mga pimple patch, something that's not too bulky, I put it here. Actually, mag-video din ako kung ano ilalagay ko dito. What I have in my toiletry travel bag. And then, you can open it all the way. Inside looks like this. Ta-da! 3-fold siya. 1. Ay, 2-fold. So, huh? Okay, one more. Okay, 3-fold nga. So, this part, I think, ito yung mga lalagyan na ng makeup brushes over here. Yes. I don't really use makeup brushes a lot because I don't wear a lot of makeup anymore. This one is perfect because I do bring a lot of products when I travel. Kasi madami akong skincare. Speaking of skincare, if you have any suggestion, because I have this thing in my face. I don't know kung blackheads ba siya or what, but I have a lot of bumps in my face. So, yeah, if you have any suggestions. Yeah. Ito yung kind of weird though. Paano mo ilalagay dito? You put it in this. Okay. Kasi this one is too low, so I'm thinking baka mahulog. But turns out there's a right here. You can see there's a garter that will hold your stuff, I guess. And then this and other miscellaneous. I'm excited to see. Kasi, you know what, I already have 2 kinds of toiletry bags. However, gusto ko yung sinasabit, like this. Para pag may ligo ka, nandyan lang siya. And then, if you're done, you can just hold it. Yung akin kasi, you can just open, you open it. Pwede mo isabit, but it looks weird pag sinabit mo. So, I hope this one works. Because this is my 3rd time buying toiletry bag. So that's my toiletry bag. I'm pretty sure I got it for... Hindi, ilagay ko na lang sa video. I don't remember, but it's less than $40. So here you go. Sana hindi masira yung ano niya, no? Because I know this fake leather thing. They bakbak. I don't know the English eh. Nasisira siya pag nababasa. So, I hope this one won't. Kasi I like the color. And this is the brand. Matane.
You may get some calls.
This is war.
Oh, they have lifetime warranty. I guess worth it. Kasi pag nasira, I can just exchange it. And then, toiletry bottles. This... Alam niyo naman na kung ano to. So, this is where you put lotion, shampoo, shower gel, facial cleanser. But what I like about this one is they include this. I can just put my perfume, my toner here. Although I have a few of it already. They have a cleaner included. And I can put my facial moisturizer here. I don't have to put it in a weird container kasi meron na silang specifically for this. And they have a scooper. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items in one bag for only $16 plus tax. Pretty good. And I also got this neck pillow. Actually, may neck pillow na ako and I use it for almost 3 years. Kaso, nalimutan ko kung paano siya labahan. So, the last time na nilabahan ko siya, hindi ko siya tinanggal dun sa loob nung, because there's a foam inside it, and then you just need to unzip it and wash the outside cover pag nilalabahan mo. I forgot to do that. Sinalang ko siya lahat. So, now the foam is not in good condition anymore. It still works, but because the foam is already ruined at hindi siya natuyo masyado nung dryer ko siya. Meron siyang smell. So, I decided to change. It's time for me to buy a new one. So, this is what I got from Amazon. I believe this is less than $30 as well. So, it comes with earplugs. It comes with eye mask. Gusto ko to kasi gusto ko pag natutulog madilim. So, kaso ang problema ko dito, nadadala yung mata ko when I use it. So, let's see. Maybe I'll just bring eye drops. And this is the actual neck pillow. Kung matatanggal ito. See? Nakita ko siya sa Amazon. Very compact kasi siya. Actually, nakita ko siya sa TikTok. Someone recommended it. And then I bought it. Compact siya all. See? You just put it in your neck. Ano? Tumata ko na may aso ko. Nandiyan na kaya isang package. See? You can just stick it.
We're related.
Okay, so kailangan ko na lang i-figure out kung paano ibalik. Sana ma-figure out ko, no? Kasi gusto ko siyang nakapaklo. At sana hindi ko siya mawala. No, actually, maingat naman ako sa gamit ko. I bought this because we're going to Spain in less than 50 days. And ngayon lang ako nakapag-focus bumili ng mga kailangan ko kasi there's a lot of things happening this past few months. There's a lot of church activities. So now, ngayon lang ako nakapag-bili ng mga kailangan ko. Sana may balik ko siya. Ay, nabalik ko. See, ang cute, diba? Compact lang siya. I can easily put it like, isabit ko lang sa bag ko. Sa carry-on ko. So, and last, but not the least, this is the tawag ito? Power bank. Anchor power bank. Sabi maganda daw to. It has, ano nga ba yun? So it's called Anchor 325 power bank. So it has power core of 2K. Actually, I don't know what I'm saying. Hindi ko siya alam, pero people said it's good. Apparently, this have a longer life when charging. Ooh, it's pretty big than I expected, but I guess this is why it has longer life. It's so big! Oh no, it's so big! And it only have 2 plugs. So it has a Type-C and USB. Yeah, USB and Type-C. Wala pa dalawa lang yung plug. Although, I only have 2. So, ito yung bar niya. Makikita mo kung full charge siya. So, I guess I need to charge. So, where do I charge it? Like, it's pretty heavy. So, sana matagal talaga siya. And Anchor, I pretty love the brand. Pero hindi na akong Anchor dati, kaso nahulog ko siya at nabasag. Actually, it wasn't me, it was my brother. Okay, so that's all I have for now. There's one more coming in today, and I will also unbox that later. Okay, like, I said my package will come in. My last package will come. I said my package will come in at 8 p.m. today, but it came! Let's see. Why is it big? Because it's a carry-on. It's hanky carry-on. I got it the same time as the other packages. And, let's see. Let's open it. Matagal ko na itong gusto bilihin. Because I like the style of this carry-on. And the color as well. Remember when I said that GNR. Okay. Remember when I said that, ano ba sabi ko? Nalimutan ko tuloy si Chiyo kasi papansin eh. Ano ba yun? Come here. Here, up here. So you can see. Come up! So you can see. What do I own? Remember when I said that everything that I own for travel is beige? Or like nude colors or whatever? That's why I ordered the thing in different color. It's because of this. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Hindi ko pa siya nalalabas. Nagagandahan ako. Oh my gosh! No! Okay, so the reason why I want this one is because the style of it, and I'm going to show you in a bit why. Okay, bug check. Bug check. Are you done? Okay, so the reason why I like this one is because it opens na parang trunk. And it also has this, you can unlock it. Because I need to set a code. Ah! So, parang siya na-open, parang trunk na malalim dito. It doesn't like open and, alam mo yun, yung katulad like yung normal carry-on, like this split into two. This one is just that top part opens. Kasi I feel like I'm gonna be able to fit more in this one. So, oh, ang cute talaga. Ang ganda ng color, but it's more pinkish than beige than I expected. So I hope this one will last. I guess I'm gonna lend my sister my other carry-on. Yeah, Pam? Should I lend it to you? Ay, ang ganda! Ang cute niya. Ready for Spain. I'm planning to just bring carry-on to Spain, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna need to bring one big one because that's just how we are. We overpack a lot. But tignan natin, mukha namang malaki to, and I'll be able to fit 2 weeks worth of clothes and stuff. So I'll bring you on my packing journey, my travel to Spain. So yeah. This one is 170, I believe. Hindi na siya ganun kasama. We'll see. We'll see if it's good.